Hello, my friend. As you know, Luna is a recording system programmed by Universal Audio. It is a great DAW. It's not a full DAW, but Universal Audio is adding features and editing abilities. One of the greatest features that Luna offers is audio integrity. You have saturation systems like tape or console simulations on each channel that you can choose to use and add an identical color and characteristic to your whole multitrack. But here I'm not talking about the power of Luna. I have added Oxide tape on kick channel, and I want to show you before and after Oxide how the kick sounds. So let's check. It has a full and harmonic rich sound that is very interesting for me. It is punchy, it is stronger, it is full, and it is everything our kick needs. Our kick was thin and needed some low characteristics to rise up and shine in this track. So Oxide did it very easily, and I'm really amazed by the work Tape Machine did here. It is applicable to any materials like vocals, like other parts of drums, like bass, or you name it, whatever you want. Let's go check it on bass. The bass has better weight with Oxide on it, and it lost some of its boxiness in the process. So Oxide is doing several processes here and will help you mix faster. That is one of the strengths that people in the communities are talking about. Integrity of the audio that Luna or even Mixbus is offering. You can add special kind of saturation or have special kind of saturation in each channel, and this will help you simulate the characteristic of some famous mixing consoles or mixing processes. That weight and power that Oxide adds to lower frequencies is fantastic. So if you are using Luna, this plugin will amaze you.